Modern medicine widely uses artificial materials inside the human body to diagnose, treat, or replace damaged tissues and organs. These materials, known as biomaterials, are carefully designed to be safe, functional, and compatible with living tissues. They play a crucial role in improving and saving human lives. One common example is stents, which are small tube-shaped devices placed inside blood vessels or other hollow structures to keep them open. Most stents are made from metals such as stainless steel, cobalt-chromium alloys, or nitinol. Some stents are coated with polymer layers that slowly release drugs to prevent re-narrowing of blood vessels. Their role is to restore normal blood flow and reduce the risk of heart attacks or strokes. Implants are another major category of artificial materials in the body. Orthopedic implants, such as hip or knee replacements, are typically made from titanium alloys, stainless steel, or cobalt-based alloys. Dental implants often use titanium, which can bond well with bone through a process called osseointegration. These implants replace damaged or missing body parts, restore movement, and improve quality of life. Catheters are flexible tubes inserted into the body for delivering fluids, medications, or for drainage. They are commonly made from polymers such as silicone, polyurethane, or polyvinyl chloride, PVC. These materials are chosen for their flexibility, smooth surface, and low irritation to tissues. Catheters are widely used in urinary care, cardiovascular procedures, and intensive care settings. In addition, prosthetic devices such as artificial heart valves are made from advanced materials including metals, polymers, and carbon-based materials. Mechanical heart valves often use titanium and pyrolytic carbon due to their durability and resistance to wear. Artificial joints, bone plates, and screws also rely on strong, biocompatible materials to stabilize or replace damaged bones. Soft tissue applications include sutures, wound dressings, and drug delivery systems, which may be made from biodegradable polymers. These materials are designed to safely break down in the body over time, eliminating the need for surgical removal. Overall, artificial materials used in the human body are essential to modern healthcare. Their primary roles are to support, replace, or assist natural biological functions while minimizing adverse reactions. Continuous research in biomaterials science aims to develop safer, longer-lasting, and more bioactive materials that interact more naturally with the human body.